Hey guys, just got a quick little project here. The exhaust on my quad has fallen apart here. It's $160 for a new muffler, and we're going to be going on vacation shortly here in maybe about a month. And you know, time flies by it. I didn't think I'd get to it. So we just pulled the exhaust off. We're going to try and do a quick weld job on it to get us by for our vacation, and hopefully we can get our new exhaust down the road here. But this will get us by and help us have a little fun on the trails. So stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, it broke off pretty clean. We're going to take a wire wheel and clean this stuff up so we can get some good metal to weld to. Hopefully we can get it sealed up enough that it quiets it down and not rattling loose as we're going down the trails. Let's get her cleaned up. So we just tackled this on the one side. We slid it up in there, got an idea where we want this pipe. We're going to cut ourselves a little sleeve, put some tabs on it, weld to it, and then we'll try and seal this thing up a lot better than it is. So let's get to cutting that piece to splice in there. Okay, we're going to cut this piece of tubing, kind of cut it in like half first and maybe into quarters, just to give us some tabs to weld to. Well guys, we welded it up, ground it down. It is an ugly, ugly weld, but it holds, it's sealed up. Then cool off, get it cleaned up, and put it back on. As you can see, it's quite a bit quieter than it was before. The welding job worked pretty slick. This is revving it up. Dramatic difference. Anyway, that's a quick fix on the old exhaust.